Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Beats Studio Pro. Now it's taken me a while to get my hands on these, so I hope you guys appreciate this unboxing, and I'll be soon doing a VS as well. So if you're a returning subscriber to this channel, I'll be doing a VS very soon. So this versus that, this versus this. Let me know any verses that you want to see. What do you want me to put this up against? But other than that, let's get this unboxing started. So very different. I would love to do a verse between the unboxing experience of this compared to the Beats Studio wireless that was around. So this is very much a book out of Sony's leaflet, as one can say. So very recyclable. Everything is recyclable. Let's get this unboxing underway. Very different, whereas before, if you want to see any of my older unboxings, you had to actually slide the box in, and it was very flamboyant is the proper word, I think. And hey, they had a little thing here that you can open it through, but I didn't see that. So you're greeted with this nice and simple boxing, which is really nice to see. You know, I can't blame them for taking this new direction, but it's a complete new direction compared to what Beats used to stand for. So you've got a Beats Pro scan to complete your guide. What do you get in it? Let's have a look-see. Now pair with great music. Try Apple Music's free. Get a couple of Beats stickers, and that's basically it. So very basic. Now you get a very cloth-feely, very soft, whereas the old one had a hard shell to it. This is very soft. I can feel the headphones inside. I can probably damage it as well if I squished it too hard, but that's basically it here. All right, the Beats logo. Okay, this might be the zipper. All right, so very different compared to the old ones. That opened easily, well and truly easily enough. So what do you get inside? So you get the same sort of design, the rubbery silicone headband, very plastic, no longer Beats written on top. There's no plastic stickers going around stuck everywhere. The buttons are, this is still here, USB-C charging. The cups are nearly the same feeling. No longer does it say right and left. Yep, the buttons are still here, still got a wire that goes to it. Now I'll be not surprised if Apple doesn't include anything in here. Okay, so it does include a few things. First of all, it's got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is this one here. All right, let me get the other cable. So this is the audio cable, no longer with a remote, which is for me very disappointing to see. I loved that remote that you got with it. It really helped me out, and I would use it when I've got wired, whereas and I would use that for chatting as well. So when you're playing Fortnite and things like that, you could chat with that as well. So I liked it about that. So it still closes up the same, still got a metal bit over here, but nothing on there, and it is blue tinted a little bit. It has a bit of a blue tint to it. The entire thing has a blue tint to it. So that's left, it's got left over here and nothing written on here. It's very minimalistic, but that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these headphones. I find everything on this channel myself, so if you appreciate that, please do drop in a like and a subscribe. It helps out a lot. Super thanks would take me a long way. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.